y'all, welcome to Myadesirae TV. I am Myadesirae, welcome to my channel. As y'all can see by today's title and by my head, we're gonna be doing a lace girl. So first of all, let me show y'all my hair. I'm scared to see how I'm gonna look with these, but yeah, I already braided my hair back. It's giving dookie braids, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the products I'm gonna be using. My room is a mess, please excuse the mess. About a new wig cap. What are these? I bought some tinted lace spray. You know. Then we got ghost bun, a pen for why I don't know, please don't ask. Edge control, our lace spray. This works real good. So since I cannot find my comb, right? Okay. We also have got to be salmon gel for the edges part. This, cause why not? Tweezers, a bandana, and my charger. Let's see what percent my phone is on. Y'all, please excuse this on my bed. I'm gonna do it. I promise I'm going to do it. Some a brush, scissors, lip gloss. Okay, yeah. And I'm really giving bummy, but it's okay. So first thing we're gonna do, open this, right? So we got the lighter one, of course. Okay, it's two of them in here. So first thing we need to do, okay, stick about edges. I'm using 24-hour edge hold. I'm gonna stick these back, baby. Like slicking like we ain't never slicked them before. I'm doing TikTok, yeah. Okay. Hopefully they slick back good enough. So now let's go ahead and do our wig cap. So we just gonna, I think, yeah, we just gonna put it on. So I got lashes. Go ahead and get my scissors. Oh, my lashes. All right. The brush out yet. This is really in my eye. I'm trying to cut my lash off. Okay. So I don't think this is supposed to be like this. This one weird. Okay. So now we get our spray. Right. Yeah, I think this is what you're supposed to do. Okay. Okay, so I'm real life just going back and forth. But now we get the blow dryer. Okay. Y'all. I'm gonna cry. Okay. Oh. this one. I'm scared. Wait. I guess we just cut it with this. I think. Let me look in the mirror and I look at y'all. Oh. So I'm putting this in time lapse. Yeah, I'll tell you why. The TikTok didn't save. I'm gonna use this and then I'm gonna use another color. Cause these are my mama's and my mama's kind of darker than me. So yeah, my skin color is very much neat. Did clean it up with some alcohol. So don't worry about that. This kind of look good for my first time. I really need my Got2b, but I don't have that. We can spray just a little bit on the makeup. That way the makeup will stay. So yeah, so now I think what we can do, we can just put it on. So this part is really going to scare me because I do not want to cut my lace wrong. Okay. Ooh, do this fit on my head? We got Ghost Blonde. This is very good to use. Let me look in my little mirror. Make sure I know her on her. Okay. I feel like I don't know. Serious. So now you gonna blow dry it. You're gonna blow dry it till it gets clear. Okay, so I'm gonna do another layer also. This is kind of clear, like a potato head. Okay, but yeah, so I won't get no glue on it. This is some very good hair. Do another layer. This is my first time doing this, guys. So this is our last layer. Just secure this wig cap. Make sure the lace don't get on there yet. So, I already look cute. Like a sexy potato. But yeah, this glue really, yeah. So, hold on, y'all gotta find me a band. Okay, y'all, it's clear enough. So, I don't have a band. We either gonna use this. I did have one, but now I don't know where it is. Okay, we gonna push this lace back a little bit. Let me get my mirror because I do not supposed to be looking at y'all so I will mess up. But what is this hair? We gonna spray. Yeah, I'm really just going based off what I be seeing. So, in my company, these. Okay, y'all ready? I'm not. Okay. Oh, I'm scared. Wait. Okay, let me not. For real, like, I need to stop looking at y'all. Like, for real, for real. Now you gotta manhandle yourself. You know what I'm saying? Place this wig where you want it to be. That's simple. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Be coming up. So yeah, no. So we gonna. I think this. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, y'all. So now we're gonna pluck again because I don't like how this look like that. So, okay. Let me not. I need to stop letting me look at y'all. Plucking is hard. I feel like this is crooked. Now this in the middle, right? I hope so. Let's give it a rock star. Now, let's cut the lace. Put this right. Like I didn't. This I should have. Okay. Where's the gel? So y'all, I'm done. So this how it look. I really wish I could have plucked this more, but it's not a full lace. Yeah. So I'm really gonna wrap my head up and go to bed because it's 1 o'clock and it is a school night. Y'all very much manifest whatever you want to do, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And this pimple is getting on my nerve. But yeah, thank y'all for watching another episode, another video of Myadesirae Tv, and I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget, you are your best self and you can be your best self. Yeah. All right. Bye.